Hello and welcome. My name is Janelle and I have a quick little tutorial for you today. In this video, I am going to show you how to do the invisible decrease. So to start off with, I am going to do a standard decrease just so that you can see what the difference is. So when you're doing a regular decrease, you're going to go into your first stitch, yarn over, and drop a loop, and then go into the next stitch, yarn over, and drop a loop. So at that point you have 3 loops on your hook, and you're going to yarn over and draw through all 3 loops. And I'm going to just continue down this row just so that we have a row of decreases and you can see what they look like all together. So with the standard decrease, you can see that there are visible holes in between the stitches. Your stitches are leaning, and it tends to be bulkier as well. So a cleaner looking alternative to a regular decrease is the invisible decrease. And I'll just rip out this row of decreases that I just did to show you what the invisible decrease looks like. So the invisible decrease is an entirely different technique. So to do this technique, we're going to go through just the front loop of our first stitch, and then the front loop of the second stitch, because the whole point of decreasing is that we are stitching 2 stitches together. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through both of those front loops. And at this point, you should still have 2 loops on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through both of those. So I'll just continue down the line. So again, front loop only of the first stitch, front loop only of the second stitch, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, and then again I'll just finish off this row. So with this technique, you can see you don't have the large holes that you do with a standard decrease, and it also doesn't have the bulk either because you're just going through front loops, not the whole stitch. And the stitch is still going to have a little bit of a lean to it, but again, it looks a lot cleaner than the standard decrease. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and hit the subscribe button for more crochet content. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye.